Jai Shri Ram. If you are still a Hindu, consider yourself very blessed. That means your forefathers fought. The others, as they say, तलवार के डर से सलवार पहन लिया. Or for a few rupees, rice bag Christians. For a few rupees, they are willing to get converted. They don't read those holy books. And about us Hindus, we all want to, but we don't find time. And not even the Gita. Forget the Vedas. Vedas are very difficult. The Gita is the summary, the quintessence of the Vedas. But you may have bought one copy. And maybe you're thinking that someday you'll sit down and read it, but it's not working out. Anyway, let me tell you one thing, that the Gita is not so easy to understand. Okay, I've read more than 100 commentaries and I cannot claim to have a mastery on the Bhagavad Gita, because some shlokas are there only Krishna can interpret. And every day Krishna will give you epiphanies. That's another thing. Hanuman is also there to give you epiphanies, because Hanuman was the best student of Krishna, not Arjuna. Arjuna forgot, and he asked Krishna again to repeat it, and then Krishna repeated what is known as Anugita, and after another year he asked again, so it was repeated. It's called the Uttara Gita. So Arjuna was given the lesson 3 times. Hanuman never asked for a repeat. He has a tremendous memory. That is why Hanuman is known as Jnaninam Agraganya. Adi Shankaracharya said, Tadidam Gita Shastram Samasta Vedartha Sara Sangraha Bhutam Durvigneyartham. The Veda is the summary of all the Vedas. The Gita is the summary of all the Vedas, but it's very difficult to understand. So when Adi Shankara made such a statement, you can very well imagine what our plight is. It's not easy. Okay, let me try to make a few things easy. I started this talk by telling you that you should consider yourself blessed, because Hinduism is an intellectual religion. Intelligent religion meant for intelligent people, not for dumbos who have to shut up and accept whatever is written there. 1863 Krishna says, Itite jnanam akhyātam guhyāt guhyataram maya vimrushai tad aseshena yadechhasi tadakuru. Krishna says, I have told you all that you need to be told, all the esoteric, occult, arcane, all those tenets, principles. Now you think about them thoroughly and do what you think is good. Whatever you like, you do whatever you like. Krishna respects your cognitive liberty. In other religions, asking questions is considered blasphemy. Therefore, Krishna is the Guru seated in your heart. You don't even have to read the holy books. Your conscience, if you are a Hindu, that conscience is the voice of Krishna. Jai Shri Ram.